know sometimes I'm slow to tell you.
Nagkakilala kami ni Neri sa Saudi. Nag-work ako doon as a nurse, tapos siya naman as a mechanic. Tapos nag-meet kami through friends lang din.
Mga 2 years siguro ako doon. Then siya, mga 3 years na siya noon. Halos kakarenew lang niya dun sa trabaho niya.
Ano kasi siya, malambing. So yun, parang doon ako na-develop sa kanya.
Kwentuhan, hanggang sa nalaman yung buong buhay. Then open up, lahat. Then nagkapalagayan ng loob. Parang nare-realize namin na na-fall na yung isa sa amin. Then yun, tuloy-tuloy na.
Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit more than before.
Parang di man siya nandito eh. Hindi ko alam. Parang, iyon, naging kami na lang.
May selfie photo pa kami. Pinicturean ko siya na yung ngiti niya, yung parang hindi mo makakalimutan. Kasi parang nakikita niya ako, lagi siyang masaya. Ganon. Tapos, yun talaga yung pinaka-memorable namin sa Saudi Arabia.
Fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit more. Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit more than before. Even on the days I'm not so sure, I fall in love with you a little bit more. Fall in love with you a little bit more. I fall in love with you a little bit more.
I'm not afraid of losing.
Alam mo, January at Karila, itong kontrata na to ay very unique ito. Ito ang kontratang walang expiration. After this ceremony, pinirmahan nyo na ito. Kontrata na to, pinirmahan na ng Ninong at Ninang at pinirmahan ko. This is, ano na ito, forever until January. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay walang sino mang taong pwedeng pagduray for better or for worse till death do us part.
A story speaks and silences my doubt. The wind may blow, but He's built this house. Your voice so soft and strong. My husband all alone. Our love's a steady song. And I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Oh, through everything, here we stand, hand in hand, I'm yours. I've waited for a love that outlasts time, praying for a soul that betters than mine. I knew it from the start, together not apart. Our love's a steady heart. And I lay down everything.
January, will you have Karila to be your wife, to live together in a holy marriage? Will you love her, honor, and keep her? In sickness and in health and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live. Yes, thank you. And Karila? Karila, will you have January to be your husband, to live together in a holy marriage? Will you love him, honor, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
And I lay down everything. Every part of me, I'm yours.
B,
B,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
And with all that I am,
And with all that I am,
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you
I honor you
in the name of the Father,
in the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
and the Holy Spirit.
Okay, very. Nurse,
Nurse,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
And with all that I am,
And with all that I am,
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you
I honor you
in the name of the Father,
in the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
and the Holy Spirit.
What I feel for you, I love you, is endless forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore. There are times when I just want to look at your face.
Unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi He answered my prayer and wishes. At ito na yun, B. Nakatayo tayo sa harap ng Panginoon, kasama ka at nangangako akong aalagaan, intindihin, susuportahan at mamahalin ka ng habang buhay.
Sabi mo nga sa akin, di man tayo pinagtagpo sa Pinas dati. Sa Saudi pala tayo magkakakilala. Salamat at dumating ka sa panahong kailangan ko ng karamay. Salamat dahil hindi ko pinilit ang panahon na hanapin ka dahil kusa kang dumating. Dahil binigay ka ng Diyos sa tamang panahon. Minsan akong di naniwala sa pag-ibig. Pero nabago to nung dumating ka sa akin. Nang hindi ko inaasahan na ipinaalala mo sa akin na ang malalim na kahulugan ng pagmamahal ay nanggagaling sa mabuting hangarin. At sa'yo ko natagpuan.
Ay!
Just a dream that I once knew. Never thought
Maraming salamat sa 4 na taon nating pagsasama bilang magkasintahan. And now, magiging wife na kita. And it will become forever, our bonds and love for each other. Sa hirap man o ginhawa, I'll promise to you sabay natin naharapin ang lahat ng ito na magkasama.
Salamat dahil ngayong araw na ito ay hindi na ako mag-iisa. Sasamahan at susuportahan kita sa lahat ng journey mo through ups and downs. Ngayong araw na to, yung pinakamasayang araw ng buhay ko, bukod sa pinanganak ko si Kelken. Kasi ngayong araw na to, magiging buo na tayo. Dahil ikaw ang kukumpleto sa salitang tayo at pamilyang pinangarap ko.
Lagi mo ring isipin na meron kang Neri na nananatili sa tabi mo habang buhay at lagi kang papasayahin.
I just can't believe that you were mine.
Kunyari di alam. Buti na lang totoo. Ay, opo. Ay, puro tawa-tawan.
Simula ngayong araw na ito, sa akin ka na at sa'yo na ako. Yes, Lord. Natatandaan ko pa yung sinabi mo sa akin bago ka umuwi ng Pinas na hindi naman ako ikakasal sa'yo. Sana sa'yo na lang. Kaya ito, tutuparin ko na yung isa sa mga pangarap mo. Alam kong matagal mo na akong pinapangarap. Di, salamat sa regalong binigay mo sa akin. And napakasaya ko kasi, ayan, lagi ka sumusuporta. Kahit anumang desisyon ko, ano plano sa buhay, at lagi ka nandyan. Maraming salamat. Love you.